So what happens when Margo gets really, really bored during this stay at home? This is what happens. Actually, this happened a couple of years ago when we had people come out and dig out our giant jungle. It used to be 20 feet tall and a lot bigger, and it pushed all the wall out. So we hired people to come and take everything out, but they didn't fix the wall. So after looking at it for a couple of years, we thought, guess we should fix the wall. A little push, a little help from our friend Wayne Anderson, who will be here soon and is willing to help us. So Wayne's here, so we're making him do all the work. We thought that was really a good idea of ours.
How's it going, Wayne?
Super!
Are you doing all the work?
Not yet.
So what are we
All
doing?
the work.
What are we doing here, Diane?
Pulling all these stacking cement blocks out so that we can back up the wall and then put it back.
Tear it apart and put it back together.
R.I.P. our bird of paradise. It's pushing the wall out, so it has to be relocated. Hopefully it'll survive and we can put it someplace else.
How's that going, Hotshot?
It was like birthing a baby.
Yeah,
Yeah.
push. Wow, that is a big thing.
What happened there, Wayne?
It got crunched.
So what's next, Wayne?
Start putting it back together.
So we finished our wall. We took the whole thing down, put it all back, and it looks great. And we're still working on our garden, but I think in a few months it's going to really, really look amazing.